Hey everyone, John here from ViewSonic, and today I'd like to walk you through how to export and import our on-screen display settings between displays using a USB flash drive. Once you have your FAT32 formatted USB flash drive and you have connected it behind the display, the process is very simple, straightforward, and quick. We're going to use the 3-line menu button at the top right of our directional pad to access the on-screen display menu. We're going to scroll down to the Advanced tab, and here where all of the settings that we want to preserve through export or bring in through import, where these live is also where that setting lives. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see it a little better here. Not USB autoplay, but USB cloning. So when we click on that, it's pretty simple. We're going to see an import and an export. So I've just configured this display exactly how I would like it to be. I'm going to go ahead, highlight export, hit OK, and I get a very quick export success. And now let's pretend like this is a different display and I need to bring in settings either from a backup or from another display whose configuration I want to mirror. The process is identical, with that last change being import rather than export. Let's go ahead and hit import. And again, we see import success. And that's all there is to it, to export and import on-screen display settings via USB flash drive.